Hey guys, Simpson here at Simpson Vlogs and welcome your faces to another unboxing. And this week we are unboxing the Powerbeats Pro 2. So sit back, grab a snack, grab a drink, take your feet up, multiply, have fun, like, comment, subscribe below, and of course hit that bell notification to get everything here on Simpson Vlogs. Of course, check out links in the description for my dedicated social media, and of course Simpson Plays and simpsonplays.com. Well then, new headphones, not for me, another product that my mother has got and purchased. These retail for £249 on Amazon, although you can't get this colour on Amazon right now in the UK anyway. You can only get black right now, so the link down below is going to take you to the black one. If you want these ones, your best bet is to go to Apple directly, or maybe another retailer like Curry's, PC World, stuff like that, or even Argos. But yeah, we're gonna take a look at them. We're gonna go over them and compare them with these guys, my Apple AirPods Pro 2s. Okay, so yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty then, so we have the box, obviously unopened right now. We're gonna unbox that. That's what the whole video is about. We're also gonna talk about the features of this and why it costs around 20 more pounds, British pounds, than this guy. This retails in for £229, USB-C charging case like this one currently. But this is, £249. So why is that? We'll talk about that in a moment. Signature little strip that Apple has. I kind of say it's always easy to unbox their stuff because you just rip the strips off and then open it. Alright, this is the inside then. This is what you get inside the box. Very simple. This guy is huge in comparison to this. Oh wow, okay. What else is inside the box? You get some QR code, Powerbeats 2 stuff. Ooh, nice buds. Ooh, we like that. But don't like the fact you can't take them out of the thing. I've unloosened one. I'll push that back in. Ooh. Ah, there we go. Okay. No wire. That's a bit annoying. Unless the wire's in. There's no wire could be in here. No, there's no wire. So there's no wire, no plug. Okay, already I don't like that. No wire, no plug. Now, it is USB-C, you can see there, and then obviously with the EU's regulations and stuff, everything's kind of USB-C, so I guess they're expecting you to already have a USB-C wire of some kind, because, the iPhone charges with it, all Android major phones charge with it, so I guess they're kind of assuming, but I don't like that. I think all products should at least come with a wire. I know they've kind of got away with plugs, but take away the wire, taking the piss. Just an opinion. Now, I don't know if it's a MagSafe charging case. I don't know. Now, this is. If you take this, well, it doesn't, because of the case I've got on this, it doesn't charge very well MagSafe. But if you were to have just a plain, the white case underneath that it actually comes with, then you would be able to charge this with MagSafe. I have no idea about this. I mean, yeah, it just says Apple on it, really. It doesn't give any indication of MagSafe. But already, I prefer the size of this case compared to this. This is huge. Now, these are over-the-ear headphones, or earphones, kind of like this, which I do like the idea of. They don't look as nice, but they're far more functional, is why my mum has gone for them from the AirPods Pro 1 that my dad handed down to her, because she prefers this, because she goes on the train a lot more, and this is less likely to fall off your ear with loads of British people angrily trying to get onto the train than this. So then, how does this case open up then? Trying doing it with one hand is actually quite simple. So this is what it looks like then. Oh, it's trying to pair already. Good thing I've not got anything pairing. And this is what it looks like when you open up the Apple AirPods Pro 2s. So they're both the second gen versions of the high-end earphones. But because this one's come out a bit later, it's got a bit more punch than this. Okay, so this charging case, it's bigger as well. So it actually has the advantage of size helping it out with this, but it does have 45 hours of battery, and I think that is 10 hours in the earphones and then 35 hours with the case, whereas this has 30 hours, which is 10 with the earphone, no, 6 with the earphones, sorry, and 24 with the case. Also, this is a lot better with the fast charge. I need to shut it down because the pairings are driving me crazy with that little noise. But it also has a better fast charge. 5 minutes gives you 90 minutes of use with these. 5 minutes of charge gives you, if I remember rightly, only an hour of use with this. Now, all that is also only if you have the active noise cancelling off. If you have the active noise cancelling on, which they both have, but depending on if you're using the pass-through mode or active noise cancelling, where it's just cancelling out everything, or if you're using the sound mode, where it's like making sounds to keep out loud noises, then the battery life is all over the place and varies. But obviously, this one's got more. This one has more, so it's just going to last longer. So if you're really just going for the one that's going to last the longest, that one. If you care about the charging case and the fact that this one is a lot bigger than this one, then this one. But that also depends if you're getting this as an iPhone user or an Android user, because this pairs with the Android phones and Google phones a lot more easier than this does. This will update and everything on Android and all that because it's Beats, whereas this one will, still connect through Bluetooth to any other device. I sometimes use it with my laptop at work and stuff. You'll need an iPhone to update them properly. So, or Mac or something like that, something Apple. So there's that disadvantage. So if you're getting it because you want good earphones and you want something like this, but you're an Android user, then get this. Don't get that. But let's compare the actual earphone sizes then. Let's get one of them out. Close the case so it's not pairing. We'll get the same left bud out. I think that's left bud. Yeah. As you can see, this is a lot larger. But again, that loop around here is a lot more going to keep in your ear than this. I like the colour of this actually as well. It's not a bad colour. It's better than white. I mean, you can only get AirPods in white, which I have always said is a silly idea, but hey. Yeah, I like that. It's not too bad. Let's see what it looks like with it in. Well, I say it in. I'm not actually going to put it in my ear. I'm going to try to loop it around my... I think it's meant to go like that. So I've not put it in my ear, but I've looped it over, so you can see it's looped over and it comes around the back and it's meant to go in your ear like that. I've not put it in my ear for obvious hygiene reasons. It's not for me, so I'm not going to put it in my ear, but it's meant to loop over your ear like that. You can just about make it out. Try and put it around the side. I can't actually see what the camera's showing you, but hopefully it's showing you what it looks like in my ear. So yeah, I mean, I get it. It's a lot easier. It's a lot better than this. It's not easier to put in. Obviously, this is easier to put in, and it goes straight in. You don't have to worry about looping anything over. But this, it's loose. It's easy to, someone brush past you and knock it off. Whereas this loop is a bit more preventative of that happening. Overall, I'd say pretty good. It's only £20 difference in price. Although I'm sure because these are newer and the AirPods Pro are older, you'll probably be able to find the AirPods Pro somewhere else other than Amazon or Apple a bit cheaper. So maybe you could look at getting another £20 off it, so it'd be £40 cheaper. Whereas these are very new, and I don't think you're going to get a discount anywhere, really. But besides that, yeah, I'd say they're pretty good. In terms of what they sound like, because obviously they're earphones, and sound quality is very important. I don't know. They're Beats, okay, and I used to have Beats. Beats were the first high-end headphones I ever owned. I had the Beats earphones before Apple made the AirPods Pros. So Apple had the AirPods, the other ones without the earbuds on the end. So I like earbudded ones, so I never got the AirPods until the AirPods Pros came out. So I did have Beats similar to this, but they had the wire around the back. So not the fully wireless ones, the ones with the wire around the back with the loop around your neck. And they did sound good at the time. Sound quality was, and plus, let's be honest, they cost £249. They're obviously high end. They're obviously at that competitive level with the AirPods Pros, and they're obviously meant for, because Apple own Beats, and it's meant to be their way of getting across the market, going to Android users and so forth. It's going to sound good. It's going to sound at least, if not better, than the AirPods. And from what I've heard online about the headphone versions versus the AirPods Pro Maxes, and when I've gone to the store and tested both over the headphones, beats out the Apple ones. I can't lie. So I'm going to go and say that this probably, especially since it's newer, sounds better than my good old AirPods Pro 2s. So bear that in mind as well. Now, that's an assumption. Fully hold my hand up, it's an assumption. But it's Beats. Come on, it's Beats. They've always sounded good. So, yeah. Well, that was unboxing the Powerbeats Pro 2. Powerbeats Pro 2. It's very, very mouthful of a word to say that one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And let me know down below if you're looking to pick one of these up. Link to the Amazon one, the black version, not this nice cream looking one, will be down below in the description, of course. So yeah, do like, comment, share down below. Hit that notification to get everything here on the channel. And check out all my dedicated social media links down below alongside SimpsonPlays and SimpsonPlays.com. Until next time, folks, I'm going to love you and leave you. Peace.